Continuous improvement at AMETEK is foundational. It's really part of our DNA, it's our philosophy. It's the principle of never being content, of always wanting today to be better than yesterday. It's always aiming at finding better technologies to serve our customers, better and more effective ways to reach our market, to manufacture, design our products. Now, one of the tools that we have to take continuous improvement to reality are called Kaizens. It's actually a tool, part of our standard toolbox, by which we set up a target, and it needs to be a stretch target. It needs to be a target so ambitious that you start scratching your head saying, I don't really know how to get there. I think it fits very well in the AMETEK philosophy because, first of all, a Kaizen is facts and data based. What we are looking at during a Kaizen is taking away all the emotions, all the personal preferences, and be guided through facts and data. It's quite amazing to see people having the aha moment about their own process.